Welcome, in front of me is Lenovo G70 laptop, and today I will tell you what to do if your device doesn't want to turn on. So the first thing that you should do is check if you turned on your device properly. To turn on your device properly, you have to press the power button, which is located in the left upper corner, right above your keyboard, right here. So you just have to press it once or hold it for a couple of seconds in some situations. But if it didn't work for you, that most probably means that your laptop is discharged. And to check if it's charged, just connect it to the charging cable to your AC adapter and let it rest for about half an hour and try to turn it on again. The charging port is located on the left side of your PC, right here. And the charging cable for your PC should be 65 watts of power, preferably Lenovo, but if you don't have a Lenovo charger, you can use a different if it fits into your charging port on your PC. Just make sure that it's a legitimate company's charger and not some no-names charger that might also break your PC. And if you checked all of this, then please make sure that you haven't exposed your PC to extreme temperatures, hot or cold temperatures for a significant period of time, because if you did that, then you might have to wait for a couple of hours at least, and up to 12 hours sometimes in some cases, and then try and turn your laptop on. And if none of this helped you, then I suggest you contact the support center, the Lenovo support center, and tell them about your problem and see what you can do. And that's all for this video. If it helped you, let us know in the comments. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like, and see you next time.